Are you looking for the top 5 best car jump starters you need? Everyone thinks the best-selling car jump starter is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Gulu GP4000. First up, we have the Gulu GP4000 jump starter. This thing immediately caught my eye with its impressive 4000A peak power. Priced just right for a solid investment, it's designed to jumpstart all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 10 liters. If you want a reliable and powerful jump starter, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The GP4000 can jumpstart a dead battery with just a press of a button, even if the voltage is extremely low. Imagine being stranded with a weak battery and just needing a boost. This gadget makes that worry disappear. Plus, it comes with a massive capacity that allows you to charge your devices too, which is super handy during emergencies. Now, some people complained about the lack of a wall charger included in the box. Here's the thing though, most of us have spare chargers lying around, and the value you get from this jump starter makes it a minor inconvenience. It still delivers on what you need it for. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable jump starter that can handle various vehicles. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact, as it's a bit larger than some other models. For the price, you're definitely getting your money's worth with the GP4000. Now, if the size of the GP4000 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, with a more compact design while still. Product number 2, Gulu GT6000. Next up is the Gulu 6000A jump starter, GT6000. Right off the bat, the powerful 6000A peak power stood out to me, and it's priced similarly to other high-performance jump starters. If you want something that's both powerful and compact, this is definitely worth a look. What's great about the GT6000 is its incredible 100-watt fast charging capability. You can completely charge it in just 1.4 hours, and a quick 7-minute charge can get your vehicle running again. This means less waiting around in emergencies and more peace of mind when you hit the road. It's also lightweight and can handle vehicles up to 12.0-liter diesel, which is impressive. Now, some customers have mentioned that the user manual could be clearer. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of it, operating this jump starter is straightforward. It's a small hiccup compared to the overall power and convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you need a high-performance jump starter that's also quick to recharge. Skip it if you want something with more traditional jumper cables, as it's built to replace them. You're getting a great deal for the capabilities it has. Product number 3, Noco Boost X GBX55. Now, let's talk about the Noco Boost X GBX55. This jump starter is rated at 1750A, and it's designed for gas engines up to 7.5 liters and diesel engines up to 5.0 liters. It's a bit pricier than the previous options, but if safety is your main concern, it's worth considering. The GBX55 features upgraded spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, which means you can jumpstart your vehicle without worrying about making a mistake. It also recharges quickly, just over an hour via USB-C. This is crucial for those who need reliability without the fuss. With the ability to deliver up to 9 jump starts per charge, you can feel secure knowing it's going to perform. Some users noted that the size of the unit can be a bit cumbersome to store. Here's the thing, if you're looking for safety and reliability, a little bulkiness might be a fair trade-off. It's built to last and keep you safe. This is ideal for anyone who prioritizes safety features and ease of use. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra compact, as it does take up a bit more space in your trunk. Overall, it's a solid investment for peace. Product number 4, Milwaukee M18 Trade Jump Starter. Next, we have the Milwaukee Electric M18 Trade Jump Starter. This one is a bit on the expensive side, priced at around $281.29. If you're into serious tools and need a jump starter that's built to last, this one is worth a look. What caught my attention is that this model requires no pre-charging and is rated for all-weather performance. It's designed to handle tough conditions so you can count on it during emergencies, especially in harsh weather. The digital display showing real-time voltage is a nice touch, keeping you informed and in control. However, some users found it a bit too specialized for casual use. Here's the thing. If you're someone who frequently deals with dead batteries, this is a great investment. If you only need a jump starter occasionally, it might feel like overkill. This jump starter is perfect for those who need a reliable tool that can withstand any condition. Skip this if you're looking for something more portable for casual use. It's a solid purchase for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Finally, if you want something that combines multiple Product number 5, Lazy Shine Combo. Last but not least, we have the Lazy Shine 4000A Car Jump Starter Portable with air compressor. Priced at just $59.99, this is a fantastic budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. If you want a versatile device that can jumpstart your vehicle and inflate tires, this one is worth a serious look. This jump starter delivers up to 4000A peak current, which is more than enough for 10.0-liter gas and diesel engines. What really surprised me is the built-in 150 psi air compressor. This combo means you can handle dead batteries and flat tires without carrying multiple gadgets. Plus, the automatic shutoff feature for the air compressor is super convenient. Now, some users expressed concerns about the durability of the product. Here's the thing. It's true that it might not be as rugged as some pricier options, but for the price you pay, it offers fantastic functionality and is compact for storage. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional device that's easy to store. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty unit for extreme conditions, as it's not designed for that. So there you have it. We've covered the Gulu GP4000 for reliability, the Gulu GT6000 for quick charging, the Noco Boost X GBX55 for safety, the Milwaukee M18 Trade for all-weather durability, and a Lazy Shine Combo for multifunctionality. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need most. Whatever you choose, make sure you're prepared for any roadside emergencies.